First of all, switch to your Binance Pro. How to buy crypto on Binance P2P. In P2P trading, you buy crypto from other Binance users. And Binance P2P trading permits over 150 payment methods. Before we start, please do us a favor by subscribing to our channel. Open your Binance mobile app and log in. For this video, we'll be using Binance Pro. Before you buy any cryptocurrency, make sure you have completed your verification process. Switch to Binance Pro and click on P2P trading. It will direct you to this page where you see merchants. Select your local currency of which you will use for P2P trading. Select the crypto you want to buy and select the merchant you want to buy with and click on buy. Ensure that you read the seller's instruction before you do any transaction. Enter the amount of crypto you want to buy and click on buy. As for me now, I'm using my Naira. That is 15 Naira for me in my own local currency. Click on buy. Then when you click on buy, you will see a place where they wrote chat. Click on that place and chat the person and check if the person is online. Then if the person is online, just tell the person whether if it's online. Once the person is online, you check the payment methods information, copy the details and make the payments as instructed. Ensure you make the payment using your own bank name. Then Binance will lock the seller's crypto. Please ensure you transfer the money from an account you own that matches your verification name. Once you have completed the payment, send the proof at the chat. Then press transfer. The next thing is the Binance will update the P2P transaction to release the crypto. The seller will release after confirming the payment methods. Once the transaction is complete, you will find the purchase on your P2P account. If on any chance you do not complete it at the appropriate time, click on appeal and appeal for the transaction. If the seller finished releasing the crypto, then you mark complete. Then the crypto now will be sent to your P2P wallet account. Then what you need to do is just to move it to your spot wallet. Then you can use the crypto now to exchange it. If it is USDT that you buy, then you can use it to buy another crypto. That's it on how to buy crypto using P2P trading on Binance Pro. Thanks for watching. Please do us a favor by subscribing to our channel.